here with Andy Wrench. He is the product manager for Servo Motion. And here we have the hybrid motion demo. So to start off a conversation, can you explain a little bit about the demo and what you're showcasing here?
Yes, of course. So what we are seeing here is an example of a machine which might be used by an end customer in the field of factory automation. So it incorporates handling technology, pneumatic and electric movements, what we call hybrid motion, as well as an ultrasonic welding device. The entire machine is controlled by a PLC, also from Emerson.
So you mentioned hybrid motion. Can you explain a little bit more what that means?
Yes, hybrid motion refers to the use or combination of different drive technologies. Specifically here, the use of pneumatic and electric drives. So Emerson has had a broad portfolio of pneumatic components with the Aventix brand. And now with the integration of the Afag product portfolio, this has been significantly increased. But the main point here is that now also the field of electric handling technology has been added with a complete portfolio of electric linear motion, rotary axes and grippers.
So this is all very exciting. So what does this technology really offer the customer? What are the advantages for them?
Yeah, on the one hand, the customer now is offered even more from a single source. On the other hand, the customer benefits by the use of electric components from more flexibility, higher productivity, greater precision and control, better energy efficiency, to name just a few of the positive features.
So here at the Emerson booth, we also have the FlexSpeed demo across.
Right.
So let's make our way over there and you can share a little bit more about that
sure.
technology. So now we're here at the FlexSpeed demo. Can you explain a little bit about what we're showcasing here?
Indeed. So what we are demonstrating here is not just high speed. It's high speed coupled with high precision. Not to mention the flexibility of multiple sliders on one axis, or the transmission of electrical signals along the rotary axis, which prevents cable tangling.
With high speed and high precision, this really seems like we're offering a lot to our customers.
Yes, Marlon. With these things, we support primarily the end customer. However, we also offer a greater flexibility to the machine builder, because they can purchase our products not only as individual product, but also as pre-assembled handling systems, fully assembled, parameterized, wired from the console to the gripper, including drag chain and cycle time guarantee for the success of their project.
Thank you, Andy. This was great. I'm excited to share this technology, and I'm excited that you were able to spend some time with me and go through the details of this. And thank you for joining us. For more information on this technology and much more, please visit emerson.com.